Hey guys, so I'm back with another video. I'm going to kind of show you guys what I do, because a lot of you guys have been asking me, what do I do and how do I use my juicer? So I use a Omega 8005, okay? That's the juicer that I use. This has been with me for over 10 years now. I've been juicing off and on for 10 years. Okay, so basically, I put this together. People always say that juicing takes too long. That's BS. Cooking bacon and eggs and sausage takes far more longer than it does to juice. And it's messier. This is quick cleanup. Look how quick I put that together. Bam, just talking to you. I put the doggone juicer together. And all you're doing is putting your bowls up underneath and your strainer. This is the strainer. It strains out all of the pulp and things. It separates it for your juice. So that's why I'm going to put that all the way up under here. Boom. Today what I'm going to do, I'm still on the celery juice. That's right. Celery. Go to your local grocery store. I go to Aldi's. I go to Food Lion. I'm down here in the South, so we have Food Lion. We have Publix. We have Harris Teeter's, and we have Lowe's. So, not Lowe's the hardware store, but Lowe's the grocery store. Yeah, so I get my celery. I just take it on out the pack. And I always make it a point when I do my juicing, I juice the whole stalk. And you're going to want to wash and clean that, of course. We're going to break them apart. Break them apart. I'm just showing you how easy it is to be healthy. People always talk about it's so expensive to be healthy, but yet y'all go and buy burgers, cake, cookies, and pies. I mean, I do too, but I try to balance it out. And you want to cut that stalk, okay? You're going to just clean your celery. You want to clean it really good. Sometimes I clean my celery in apple cider vinegar, and I'll show you that. I got the Bragg's apple cider vinegar. I usually use that. I use that to clean like my apples. All of my vegetables, you can clean it. Like make a sink full of water, put 3 to 4 capfuls of apple cider vinegar in that, and let them soak a little bit for about 15-20 minutes, and then you can eat. Now, I don't want to hear nobody talking about, but that's too much, or this. Y'all don't say none of that stuff about things are too much, or you can't eat this or you can't eat that. You know why you can't eat a lot of fruits and vegetables? Because you're not normally eating fruits and vegetables. So when it's doing good things to your body reacts. And the body's reacting because you're giving it clean, wholesome food. So it's reacting and it's trying to kick out all that bad stuff. But you are so adamant in keeping all that bad stuff in you that you go, oh, I have an allergic reaction. Well, actually, you need to enhance that allergic reaction so you can clean out all that old crud, gut, and cellulite. That's why our butts is all big and cellulite. We have all of this. I'm still trying to get rid of this. I've come a long way since I got serious again. You know how you get serious for a minute, then you go off the wagon, then you get back on the wagon. Well, I'm on the wagon right now, and I'm just trying to show y'all what I do, because people have been asking me a lot of questions, and I don't mind showing you. Actually, it's a pleasure. Anyway, so I'm just juicing my celery. Is this easy, you guys? This easy. Now, right now, I'm just doing the celery, but what I planned on doing is adding a cucumber to it. One thing about cucumber, not one thing, but several things about cucumber, is hydrating. We benefit so much more when we get our water from our fruits and our vegetables. That's like the purest water you can get. You know, I know everybody talk about alkaline water and things like that, which is excellent, but nothing beats getting fresh fruit and vegetable water to hydrate your cells at a more interstitial level, meaning it is actually helping to hydrate you and your cellular level, like the cells in your body. You know what cells are? Your cells are made up of a bunch of different things, like your heart, your liver, your kidney, your eyes, your nose. It's nothing more than a bunch of cells comprised together to form an organ. We are nothing more than big organs. And anybody else that want to fight with me on this, you're more than welcome. But I'm going to tell you this. All of my friends, most of my friends, are always talking about, you need to go to the doctor. When the last time you been to the doctor? Oh, I've gone to the doctor. But when I go to the doctor, I go to the doctor for a different mission. I go and get blood work. I get my physical. And then I ask for my report. How many of you guys go to the doctor and ask for your physical report, where it tells you your white blood count, your red blood count, the levels of your kidney, the levels of your liver? Those numbers mean something. It lets you know whether you're close to degeneration or if you are high on the end of being healthy. I'm going to tell you what. My last visit, my last real whole physical was July 2021. My doctor, literally, she was joking, but she said, but no, I'm serious. She said, get out of my office. You're medically boring. So therefore, she can't make no money off of me because I'm healthy. There's nothing that she can't give me no pills. Why? I'm healthy. And there's nothing wrong with me. My kidney levels were amazing. My liver count was really good, really great. And see, I really look at that stuff too because kidney failure runs in my family. And so does diabetes run in the family. And we have a history of gout, high blood pressure. I am not trying to do all that. I will be 54 years old this Friday. Very proud to say that. And I'm kicking. I got energy. I'm just as hyper as I was when I was younger. Well, maybe not as. Which is a good thing because I calmed down some. Anyway, I just wanted you guys to know it's easy to juice. Look, I did the whole stalk just talking to you in about 7 or 6 minutes. Done, baby, done. This is what y'all need to be getting on. Instead of all that. Oh, but it's going to hurt me. There's too much sodium. This is all you do. This is, it takes that little of a time. All right, there you go. There's the whole stalk of celery. I am going to put that down the garbage disposal. And then here go my celery juice, y'all. Pure celery juice. I'm going to put it in a jar. I take one with me and I drink the other one. And I'm going to show you something else that I usually do too. I'll put, and this is just a little bit, I got to make a whole nother mixture. I put my green juice in it. I put my green powder in it. This powder is spirulina, kelp, bladderwrack, moringa powder. That's what I mix in that. I do that. I mix it. I get a jar. I mix it. It makes more of a green juice. You should always have a green juice once a day, at least 2 or 3 times a week. I add a little spring water with it. That's if it's too strong for you, add water. Cut it with water, okay? Drink this baby down. And this helps you with longevity. It helps your skin. It helps your hair. It helps your nails. It helps your liver, your kidney, your blood. It helps your lymphatic system. It helps you to clean your digestive system. You guys need to get on this. I love you. Know that I love you. Know that I care. I truly care about you. I want you guys to start incorporating some celery juice or juicing and smoothies in general. Please do yourself a favor. Stop listening to all that stuff. And you ain't got to worry about that virus out there if you keep your immune system up. Baby, I love you. Bye.